How's it going tonight there, YouTube? Well, I got a video here for you guys tonight I've been meaning to make for quite some time. I actually wanted to do it when I was making my plug wires for the W4, but I just didn't quite get a chance to do that. I got a nice little kit here from A&I Products. I didn't want to do this one outside in the shop, but it's dark, cold, and windy outside, and overall just poor movie making conditions, so we're going to have a kitchen table video tonight. Anyway, I'll show you guys this A&I kit that I got here. I ordered this in my big box of parts I got from Charlie Richards. I'll show you guys here. Well, the spark plug wire is not really all that fancy, I should say. This is one of the old ones off the W4, but all it really is just a insulated wire. There's a copper core inside this sheathing here. I'll bring it up here. For those of you that don't know, that end goes on your spark plug. There's a technical name for it, but I don't remember now. The other end of this, you might be able to see the crimp on there, you might not be able to. That's what you're going to have to put on there if you have a distributor cap. Now if you have a magneto on your tractor, you won't likely need those, but I'll show you guys that too. You might not get this exact crimp like you will from the factory. That's a factory crimp, so you may not get those. Then your little kit here. A very nice kit that A&I has here. I actually really liked it. And you get a couple lengths of wire here. This is just leftovers. I got some short pieces here too. And here I'll kind of show you guys. I think I have enough here left over. I can actually do my plug wires for the 1828. I got a measure though. I'll use this for my demonstration piece. But in your kit, these are my old boots. You will get new boots. This is just the old one. Let's use this for demonstration purposes. You get new boots. That goes over your connector here that goes into your distributor cap. You get it on there like that. You'll see the paint mark there. So now you guys know why I changed my plug wires, but I wanted new ones anyway. Then you also get your crimp ends. I spent a couple of them. I was learning how to do this, but I wanted to learn how to do it myself before I showed you guys how to do it. So these are your crimp ends. So basically it has these little teeth in there, and when you crimp it down, that bites into the insulation on the wire. There's also another one on the front there, if you guys can see it maybe. A little prong there that goes in the front side, so then you crimp that on there, and then it doesn't come off. I actually had pretty good luck with these. I crimped them on there, and I think the trick is you crimp them on there one time and get them on there real good. And then once you put them in the distributor cap, of course I have a new distributor cap too, brand new, so they fit in there super tight, which is what you want. And of course I started the tractor up and it ran just fine. So basically, it's pretty simple to do. They do sell an actual crimping tool to do this, but I didn't want to spend this. There, you can find them on Amazon between 16 and 35 bucks, give or take. I figured I got these at home here and you can make do with these. So what I did, I used this stripper. I don't exactly have the exact gauge to strip that, but you'll see on your crimping tool here, mine's kind of old so you might not be able to read anymore. You guys read that? It says ignition terminal there, and that just fits just around that little brass piece here. It's just enough to get it to go into the crimp it around. So you want to go and trim off about, maybe an 1/8 of an inch or so of this insulation. You want to be kind of careful doing this because you will cut through it pretty easily. It's just like a braided wire. You see it's quite thin. Yeah, something like that. Can you focus on that? Maybe not, you won't see it. But anyway, you get something like that. Now this here, if I stripped off, say maybe about 1/4 inch or so, a little bit more, this is all you need to go into a magneto cap. Like that's what the 1828 is. You don't need these little pieces up for the 1828, you just need a little wire like that. And the cap, I'll show you guys when I go do it. The cap on the inside, it's got the contacts and it's got a little brass pointer that goes up to a spring. And it's almost like a watch screw. Your wire goes down there and you use a watch screw to thread it in there. But basically these guys just go on like this. You just sink this on there like so. Right? Sink her in there. Then you fold over the wire. Now you may have to go around this several times to get it nice and round. At least I'll try to get it for you guys on camera here. Just take your time and get it just right. You may have to go a little more with your pliers. Of course, I'm just doing this for demonstration. Just something like that. And it's okay if it's still out a little bit, because when you slide it into your distributor cap, it'll fold those ends in nice and tight, and you'll have good contact. Didn't quite get it on there far enough, but also what I did too, kind of went around and just kind of went like that, and of course these little tabs here where you broke it off the little piece, you want to bend those in, or at least fold them over into the wire. It's not perfect, but for a quick demonstration, that would be just fine. But you guys get the idea anyway. It's really not all that complicated. But I mean, it was a YouTube video opportunity, and I thought I'd show you guys how to do that. But anyway, if you guys like that video, please comment, rate, subscribe, because this video is getting kind of long. I'll see you on the next one.